Hello, welcome back to the Indian Century. Today, let us trek through Moodal Mala, one of the highest trekking points in the Peachy Wildlife Sanctuary. Sprawling over 125 square kilometers, the sanctuary lies about 20 kilometers east of Thrissur. Peachy Wildlife Sanctuary was established in 1958. The average summer temperature here is 38 degrees Celsius and winter temperature is 15 degrees Celsius. The highest point here is the 923-meter high Ponmudi, which grants us an amazing view of the underlying valley. The various forests inside the sanctuary include tropical evergreen forest, tropical semi-evergreen forest and moist deciduous forest. Thanks to the Forest Department for sending us an expert guide who neatly explained each and everything about the forest. At this point, the guide is showing us the China berry fruit, which is a favorite fruit of porcupine and deer. Peachy offers many trekking trails for the adventurous ones out there. We are starting our real trekking from this point. The most appropriate season to visit the Peachy Wildlife Sanctuary is from October to March. This place has traces of movement of porcupine, wild boars and mouse deer for digging out earthworms and black mussel tubers. The annual average rainfall received by this area is 3000 mm. From this highest rock of Moodal Mala, one will be able to view the busy traffic of the Kochi-Coimbatore National Highway along with Kudiram Tunnel. Here, he is pointing towards the excreta of a porcupine. They usually take rest in such open rocky areas. As per records, there are 25 types of mammals, more than 60 types of birds and 10 types of snakes in this forest. This area is very vulnerable to lightning, as is evident from the trees here. A large variety of medicinal plants and over 1000 species of angiosperms, 50 being orchids, have been recorded in this area. Here, he is showing us a deciduous tree named Cholavena or bishopwood. Its leaves, roots, bark and fruits are used for medicinal purposes. The medicines are used mainly for curing inflammation, burns and diarrhea. Elephants are particularly fond of the cell sap of this tree. These are the steps studded with elephant tusk. So we had a chit-chat with a group of trekkers who set off their journey after us. The wild mango or Indian hawk plum is a favorite food of deer and mouse deer. The fruit is recommended for trekkers, but in certain cases it can cause negative impacts like loose motion as well. The guide says, I have this fruit before every trek. It gives me the energy to climb the heights. This tree stands below 1000 meters height in evergreen forest. Its name is Atlantia rhizomosa. During its fruiting season, this fruit with vitamins and minerals will be surrounded with birds and giant Indian squirrels. In Malayalam, it is called Kattunaragam. Here is another resting point. You can feel the wind blowing from Western Ghats by sitting over here. Western Ghats is also known as Sahyadri mountain range. It influences Kerala's weather pattern, protecting us from the heat waves coming from Tamil Nadu plains. The wind we get to experience here is coming all the way from Tamil Nadu through the Palaghat Gap, which is an opening of the Western Ghat. This medicinal climber is called Nekanchika in Sanskrit and Inja in Malayalam. The crushed and then dried stem portion of this climber is used as a bath scrub after oil massage. This New Zealand laurel is known as Karaparam in Malayalam. In the month of January, Karaparam is the only berry type that is ripened. The edible, sweet and aromatic pulp of this berry is a favorite of many birds and trekkers. This shrub, found in tropical forest, is an important element in the making of Ayurvedic medicines for diabetes and gastrointestinal disorders. These are marks of the spotted deer rubbing its horns by the tree. The horns of a male deer can reach more heights than of a female. Now let us trek downwards through this narrow path. During rainy season, the movement through this path is dangerous due to the slippery terrain. These are steps built by tribes for the honey collection process. Tribes use rattan for the making of furniture, baskets and walking stick. Now we are getting close to the dam catchment area. This area is called Anatara or the Elephant Passage area. Elephants often pass through this area and rub their backs against these rocks. Now let us travel through the government's teak plantations for a short while. Government cut and sell these trees when they cross 60 years. Thanks for watching. To watch more trekking videos, subscribe my channel.